If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Barrett, here to conclude the final series or episode of the series of A Garden in the Woods. Now, built this garden, had poultry fencing around it May, and then planted it in June. It is the beginning of August, and we knew that this would not be the most successful garden we've ever put in. But I wanted to conclude it with letting you see what has occurred here. It's about 4 foot wide by 14 foot long. You can see the back post there and there. I do have leeks and onions there. I have one tomato plant there. Now this is, I'm going to show, we are in an open area. The sun goes across the sky that way, okay? So, it is getting sunlight, but it's not the greatest soil. We've never prepped this soil. We didn't do anything to the soil. I flipped it over, and the brambles and the blueberries, or the blackberries and the raspberries and everything else has just grown up. And I didn't weed this. We're only up here a few times a month, and I wanted to see what would happen. For example, where this poultry fencing is, I've got some beans, and I do have one bean there. This plant was very lush last time I looked at it, and they have come in, deer have come in and ate the tops off. So that's the little harvest there. Will I do it again? Yes. Will we do things differently? Probably yes. Absolutely have to. Otherwise it's going to be a failure again. Now, it's not a failure because we learned. This is not a backyard in southeast Wisconsin. This is in the woods of Northwoods of Wisconsin. So just wanted to bring you along to show you the somewhat of a failure, but a learning lesson as to understanding how things are going to operate up here compared to back home in our backyard and front yard garden. So not a total failure, a lesson learned, and I still can harvest some leeks here. We've still got a lot of time that those may produce, but there's no sense of coming in here and weeding this. I'll leave the poultry fencing up because we have had, it's not going to hurt anything by taking it down. It's not going to help anything by leaving it up. It's just there. We've had deer, a clear path, have walked through here, and then where I chop lumber with fallen trees, they have migrated up, and then they're all through here. So that is the conclusion. Appreciate you tuning in. Like, subscribe for our weekly garden radio show and other garden content that will help your garden grow better, and we'll make the mistakes so you don't have to. I'm Joy Barrett, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.